Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I've got the Galaxy Tab A8. I haven't bought one of these before, so I'm pretty excited to try and give it a go. So here goes. And there it is. Okay, that's packed in. Just gonna rip that off. Look at that. I absolutely love the metallic shine. There's the camera. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got a front camera here as well. It's just there. So we've got the instruction, quick start guide, and here we have the warranty card. We've got the pin here to insert the SIM. Also got the charger cord. Looks like a USB-C and a USB port here. And it comes with the USB charger as well. So there we have it. Unboxed and ready to use. So let's have a look at this. Let's switch on. We've got the charger port here and the sound. We've got the two switches on the top and speaker areas on the side. And that's what it looks like. So let me just hit the start button again. There we go. Just needed to hold the start button down for a bit. I haven't really used a Samsung Galaxy Tab before, so I'm pretty happy about looking forward to using this. So it's a very decent size as well. I actually went and got a case to keep it nice and protected. So hopefully that makes it nice and easy to use. Looks looks like we've got the start screen here. So, well, there you have it. It's a unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or if you'd like any other unboxing video on any other item, just drop me a message and I'll be sure to add more videos that are similar to this, or if you have requests on any other type of video, I would be happy to make different types of videos as well. Once again, I really appreciate all the subscribes, likes and comments. It lets me know if I'm doing something right or if I need to work on improving. So definitely keep the comments coming, and do share the videos with your friends and family. I'd definitely love to hear from everyone. So until next time, have an awesome week and see you guys soon. Bye. I haven't quite used one of these before, so but I don't think I can get this wrong. So that works. That's pretty handy. Perfectly good stand. And if I'm going anywhere, yes, the band keeps it nice and safe. So that's pretty good. Well, thank you again for watching. Have a great day.